friends, my name's Robin Fite at Stamping Country. Today we're going to do this adorable Hey Birthday Chick card. I'm going to speed things up. I already have some of the easier die cuts done. And you are going to notice a hoodie or a purple sweatshirt in this video. I usually dress up for you, but as you can see, it's really snowy here in Ohio, and so I dressed comfy, so you'll just have to excuse that. But let's get back to our card. We're going to make this adorable trifold card with the Hey Birthday Chick stamp set, which will be available from Stampin' Up from February 2nd to June 30th of 2021. It actually coordinates, I don't know if you remember from a couple years ago in 2017, Stampin' Up! Had an immensely popular celebration set called Hey Chick. Well, it's back, and the Hey Birthday Chick is its companion. And if you're lucky enough to still have the Hey Chick stamp set, you can get the dies. And if not, you can buy the bundle. But for today, we're going to concentrate on the Hey Birthday Chick. Okay, since we're making a trifold card, I wanted it to be almost normal size. So this is Purple Posy cardstock, which is a very light clear purple. And it is 12 inches by 5 1/4. And I intentionally did it by 5 1/4 so my balloon could pop up over the top of the card. I just like the look of that. Then we're going to need to score it at 4 inches and 8 inches, or you can turn it around and just score 4 inches from each end, however you want to do that. And then you fold it for your trifold, so it'll fit in your envelope nicely, but it'll open up to this nice trifold or accordion style card. All right, next I have some white panels. Now I cut these with the stitched rectangle dies, but you could also just cut, they're approximately 4 3/4 by 3 3/8 inches. This is just basic white. And then you'll notice something else that I did. I'm using the dies. Have I showed off the dies yet? Let's see the dies. So there's a lot of cute dies besides the ones that go with the checks. So you have the feed sack and the dies that go with the chicks. And then this is like a little birthday banner and a bow tie and another little chick, a fence, and the happy birthday. This is the one I wanted to show you. It looks like the chicks have been walking around in the barnyard. So it will actually cut out their little feet, or their little footprints, I guess is what I want to say. And I'm going to do that on 2 of these panels. So I've already cut those. And let me show you some of these other ones that I have pre-cut. I sort of already showed off the dies. So the little fences I cut from some paper called In Good Taste. They have like a wood grain. The bow tie is Poppy Parade. And then the little birthday streamer and the happy birthday are cut from Gorgeous Grape. And then I cut 2 feed stacks, one from Crumb Cake and one from Mint Macaron. So now I'm going to use the new blending brushes, which I absolutely love. You want to sort of start off your paper to make sure you don't have any blotchy areas. I love how smoothly the ink flows onto the paper. And you notice how it accentuates the little footprints. I'm using Crumb Cake ink and just blending it on with these new blending brushes. How fun is that? Easy peasy. All right, next we're going to stamp some of these images. I love this card because I can use all these images. So the dancing chick, the quirky chick, the birthday chick. Yeah, so fun. I imagine them to be my sister, my brother, and myself. That's my sister. That's my brother. And I'm the dancing chick. Well, that's just my imagination. Let's go ahead and stamp these. I'm using Tuxedo Black Memento ink because I want to color with my Stampin' Blends. So there's the birthday chick. And this is the quirky chick eating the birthday cupcake. And I have an extra little chick hatching. Almost forgot this one, the dancing chick. So these do coordinate with the original set. They're just a little different and more fun things you can do with them. So this is the shaded spruce. Some of his feathers I'm coloring with the darker shade, and then I blend in. I'm going to do the same thing with his hair with the lighter color. So don't worry about perfection. It sort of gives it a little depth when you use the light and the dark. And now I'm using mint macaron, sort of doing the same thing, dark and then the light. Probably should have used more colors on him. This is one of my favorite colors for this, and it is called Mango Melody. I'm going to use it for the fire too. This is the Highland Heather. I'm going to do the candlestick and the cupcake, and then So Saffron for the icing. Okay, that's Poppy Parade. And then I'm going to use the Mango Melody again. Now we're going to go darker with the Highland Heather, sort of towards the bottom, and then we're going to blend out with the lighter of the Highland Heather. I think I'll just do lighter on the bottom. Fun, I got a little bit on the wing. Oh well. And then this is the mint macaron again, just because I like all the quirky colors. Poppy Parade for the balloon. I'm going to start with the dark. We'll blend out with the light Poppy Parade. Leave a little bit of white because it looks like light shining on the balloon. Well, again, for the hat, we'll use Poppy Parade and Highland Heather and Mango Melody. This is Daffodil Delight. And then for the eggshell, I wanted a brown eggshell, so I'm using ivory. It's not too bad. It's pretty close. Poppy Parade. And then we're going to use, this is the Mango Melody for her. And then we're going to use the dark of the Daffodil Delight, anywhere where there's ink. And then we're going to just quickly blend over it with the lighter of the Daffodil Delight. Super easy. And then there's dies for each of these chicks. Crazy, crazy. We'll cut those out with our die cut machine. Yep, this is the card we're going to make. Here's all our pieces. So on the, I guess it's the third panel, I used glue to put on the happy birthday. Remember, we die cut that. And we're going to stamp Best of Cluck. Sort of a play on Best of Luck. I love all the sentiments in this. I'm really getting used to using the glue. I feel like I'm getting a better hold. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. And I feel like I can position it for a little while. And we're going to use dimensions on all the chicks. And we're going to pop that on. Yes. And this is the party banner, which we pre-cut. And then we're going to use Poppy Parade ink once again. And we're going to stamp Let's Celebrate You. This is going to be the middle panel. And then we're going to use some Gorgeous Grape ink. I really like the way Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, and Purple Posy work together. And we're going to just stamp some birthday confetti. We put on a little fence that we had already die cut. And this is going to go in the center. So fun. You see the little feet on the barnyard floor there? And then we're going to place on our quirky chick. This is our front panel. I think you get the idea here. And some more fence. See how that sort of ties those two panels together? Our feed sack, which looks really good like it is. It does have some embossing in there. On that one, I stamped Best from the Best of Cluck onto it. This one, I'm just going to use a mint macaron. I cut it from the other feed sack just to give it a little contrast. I really like the looks of that. And you could stamp or write on that if you wanted to. Oh, I forgot my bow tie. He definitely needs a bow tie. Here's our little hatching chick and our birthday chick. Now for the final element, I'm going to use my Stamparatus Mint Macaron cardstock and Gorgeous Grape ink. I'm using my Stamparatus because it seems like when I stamp sentiments onto the colors, sometimes they don't come out dark enough. And I can go back this way. And then I cut that with my Stitch Shapes dies because I wanted that oval shape. We'll pop that up with some dimensionals. And that will finish off our card. So if you would like to get the Hey Birthday Chick bundle, be sure to scoop it up between now and June 30th of 2021. So you can make some adorable Hey Birthday Chick cards. Thanks so much for stopping by and have a fabulous day.